how to make your avatar small on Roblox. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to make your avatar small in Roblox app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Roblox app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the top left side of the screen. And now here, once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear. In that menu, just tap on Edit Avatar. And now here on the next page, you can just tap on the body option. And now here under body, you'll see several options beside that. So there you can just scroll or swipe through the option, and there you can just tap on build option. Now here under build, you will see different options like body type, body size and head size. So here with that, you can adjust height, width and head and body type of your avatar. So here, to make my avatar smaller, I just have to drag the slider to make him a bit smaller. And yeah, that's it. As you can see, my avatar has been made smaller. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.